Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make stir-fry beef noodles. First, thinly slice 1 pound of beef against the grain, then marinate it with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch for at least 15 minutes. Next, cook 8 ounces of fresh noodles until al dente. Finally, chop 2 cups of your favorite stir-fry vegetables, such as bell peppers and broccoli, into bite-sized pieces. Now, let's cook the beef. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a large wok or skillet over high heat until it's shimmering. Add the marinated beef in batches, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Stir-fry each batch for about 2 minutes until it's nicely browned and cooked through. Remove the cooked beef from the wok and set it aside, ready for the next step. Time for the vegetables and sauce. Add another tablespoon of oil to the hot wok. Toss in your chopped vegetables and stir-fry them for 3 to 5 minutes until they are tender crisp. While they cook, whisk together 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sugar for your delicious stir-fry sauce. Pour this mixture into the wok and let it simmer briefly. Almost done, return the cooked beef and the prepared noodles to the wok with the vegetables and sauce. Gently toss everything together, ensuring the noodles and beef are thoroughly coated in the flavorful sauce. Continue to cook for just 1 to 2 minutes, allowing all the ingredients to heat through. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade stir-fry beef noodles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.